Love is a feeling that transcends the boundaries of time. An energy that doesn't cease to death, that continues to live as long as you do. When the one you love passes away, does love have to end? In fact it should. But just like an organism, love continues to live, defying the rules of philosophy, defying your will, transcending the laws of physics, gazing at you from beyond time. Love is like the gears in one clock, in the clock of your heart. This hands and minute hands. Even if love dies, it lives in your heart and dictates your time. In the darkest moments of the night, it shines like a star, laughing quietly between your tears, like a melody roaring in your ears, hidden in your memories. When the one you love passes away, does love have to end? In fact it should. But just like an organism, love continues to live, defying the rules of philosophy, defying the rules. If love passes away, does love have to end? In fact, if your heart, you find peace in the unique touch of love. Like the gears in one clocks, in the clock of your heart, as hands and minute hands. Even if love dies, it lives in your heart and dictates your time. In the darkest moments of the night, it shines like a star, laughing quietly between your tears, like a melody roaring in your ears, hidden in your memories.